Hey everyone! Today I'm breaking down a topic that's often misunderstood: feminism. What is it really about? Let's dive in. At its core, feminism is all about equality. It's the belief that men and women should have equal rights and opportunities. Simple, right? But somewhere along the way, it's gotten a bad rep. So let's clear up some common misconceptions. First off, feminism isn't about hating men. It's not about women taking over. It's about creating a level playing field for everyone. Feminists believe that everyone deserves the same respect and opportunities, regardless of their gender. Feminism has evolved over the years. It started with the fight for basic rights like voting and owning property. Today, it covers a wide range of issues, from equal pay and reproductive rights to combating gender stereotypes and supporting LGBTQ+ communities. One key aspect of feminism is intersectionality. This means understanding that women experience oppression in different ways depending on their race, class, sexual orientation, and other factors. Basically, it's not just about gender. It's about recognizing and fighting against all forms of inequality. Now you might wonder, do we still need feminism today? Absolutely. Despite the progress made, gender inequality still exists. Women and other marginalized groups continue to face discrimination and violence. Feminism is about challenging these issues and striving for a fairer society. So how can you support feminism? Start by educating yourself and others. Listen to different perspectives. Support policies and leaders that promote gender equality. And most importantly, speak up against injustice whenever you see it. Remember, feminism isn't a dirty word. It's a movement for justice and equality. By understanding and supporting feminism, we can all contribute to a better, fairer world. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.